In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more friends and followers on Snapchat. Now, if you just moved to a new town and you want to meet new people, this is also a great way to introduce yourself to those new people and potentially make some friendships. But if you want to grow your Snapchat for followers, the same steps apply. So first, open up Snapchat as an app and go to the fourth icon, that's basically your friends and discovery page. From there you want to go to the top right on the plus icon, and then of course you can see who has added you and you can accept them. Now this quick add is basically people around from everywhere, friends from friends and things like that. You can also add them this way. Another way is to add them from your contacts, so just enable Snapchat that has access to your contacts and you will be able to have them here just as these other people. Now another way is that if you go to the first one on this map icon and you find yourself the exact location, let's say that you are at this cafe bar, you want to click on this heat map, and basically once you open up on this heat map you will see people in this area. Now if you want to actually have people, go somewhere that's more busy, click on it, and as you can see, as you scroll you will see people at the bottom left. Basically if you don't see people, that just means that their profile is not public, but basically you can click on his name, click on add, and that's it. You just met a new friend, and you can do this for any part of your time. So let's say does this one have anything? I click on it. You first need to wait a few seconds so that it loads, and okay, we can see that this guy was here and we can again add them as a friend. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.